Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our 78 GMC Jimmy. Nice truck. I call it an excellent driver quality truck. There it does got a little spot broke out on the grille. We repainted the hood. Looks pretty good. Few maybe small little things on it, but not bad. Looks definitely driver quality. Fender over here looks good. See a little chip right there and a little paint coming off right there. Try to show you everything, but we redid the seats. So we've got new seats, new carpet. Dash in good shape, except for a few little issues in the speaker grill. Does got power windows and locks. But pretty nice and clean. Got the factory GMC wheels. Little crack right there in the paint. You can see maybe a little waviness. Yeah, maybe you can't see that, but just so you know, a little waviness back here. Just an older paint on there. This all looks good. Like I said, driver quality paint job, but for a square body for this price, it's definitely in good shape. Sierra Classic. Doors shut good. So if you're looking for a nice Jimmy to drive, still very presentable, looks good, and you can't beat a true square body GM product. 605-695-7391.